In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. If you want to give customers a faster and more familiar checkout experience, turning on Apple Pay in Stripe is a great option. The process is very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it on. To get started, open your Stripe dashboard and go to the home area. This is the main landing page where you can access your account tools, payment settings, and business configuration options. Starting from the home screen makes it easier to follow along and navigate directly to the right section without getting lost. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Stripe keeps most of the account level configuration options, including the settings related to payments and checkout behavior. If you're managing multiple features in Stripe, it helps to remember that the settings area is the central place for most payment method controls. After opening settings, click on payments. This section contains the options related to how your business accepts money, what payment experiences are available to customers, and which payment methods can be turned on or off. Since Apple Pay is a wallet-based payment option, this is the correct place to manage it. From there, select payment methods. In this section, Stripe lists the different payment methods that are available for your account. Depending on your region or account setup, you may see a variety of options here. What matters for this tutorial is finding the Apple Pay option in that list. Now scroll down until you see Apple Pay. Take your time here, especially if your account has many payment methods displayed. The list can be longer than expected, so just continue scrolling until Apple Pay becomes visible. Once you find it, click Enabled. That action turns Apple Pay on for your Stripe account, allowing you to offer it as a payment method where it is supported in your checkout flow. In many cases, this helps improve convenience for customers using Apple devices, since they can pay quickly without manually entering card details. And that's it. Apple Pay is now enabled in Stripe. As a final tip, after turning it on, it's a good idea to review your checkout setup to make sure the payment method appears as expected for eligible customers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.